Project Deliveries in Abstract Polyverse lets you organize your digital assets into deliverable tasks, making it easy to plan, iterate, and track your work from start to finish. In this video, we'll get familiar with the Project Deliveries UI. Let's dive in. All right, so here we are in the main Polyverse homepage, and so now we can locate Project Deliveries here on the left at the top of the main sidebar. So let's go ahead and click that, and now we're in the main Project Deliveries area. So let's go through the UI here. Now at the top, we can see that we have our libraries. Now the way Project Deliveries works is it automatically integrates into your digital asset management system here inside of Polyverse. So what we do is we create tasks, and those tasks appear in our asset libraries as assets. And that'll become much more clear later on as we create tasks in the next video. So if we want to, we can now filter between our different projects or different libraries here. In this case, I have a library called Launchpad. That's the one that we're going to be focusing on here. And so now I can focus on all of our tasks and information here based on these libraries that we filter here at the top. Now below that, we can see that we have a few different views here. And we're going to take a look at each of these views individually here in a second. We also have ways to create new tasks and new milestones. We'll talk about milestones in a later video, but milestones help us keep track of different major points in our projects. Now we're in the timeline view, so let's go ahead and scroll down and we can see our timeline view down here. We can view this by day or by week or by month. And as you can see here, I have a few tasks. So we can easily manipulate these tasks. I can drag and move the start and end points here of each of these tasks. I can even hover over some of these, and you can see we have a nice preview of the asset for each of these tasks as well. And we can filter and organize the information just as we'd like here. Now let's take a look quickly at the board view. The board view gives us this nice Kanban board view, and this allows us to view and organize and manage our tasks based on their status. So if I wanted to, I could set this hero rocket from in progress now into review, and vice versa. I can easily drag and drop them here. And what's really nice is Polyverse also automatically manages the status of these tasks. And we'll take a look at that when we go into the review process as well. So last but not least, let's go into the dashboard view. You can now see we have this really nice overview of all of our information here. We have our milestones again consistently at the top, but we also have the overall progress in this particular library that we're in. We could filter this into all of our libraries and tasks if we wanted to, and it'll give us some information like what's in for review, if there's any tasks that are past due, as well as the next milestone and how much time we have remaining. And it's also nice to be able to see the different workloads and different amounts of work that different team members are doing. So you can see that we have, for example, which team members. There's only one here in this particular library, but which team member has the amount of work that they're working on right now, whether it's done or in progress. You can also see, of all the tasks that we're looking at, how much of it is in progress or in review based on status here as well, and also the different asset types that we have. So it's a nice way to have a nice overview of all of the information. All right, so that's a quick introduction to the UI of Project Deliveries in Abstract Polyverse. In the next video, we're going to look at task creation and how we can link tasks together to create dependencies. We'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, drop us a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. For the latest news about Polyverse, please visit our website, follow us on X, join us on Discord, or sign up for the Abstract community. You can find all the links in the video description below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.